Where to find data entry jobs for students. Data entry work from home has become a popular option for people who want to work from the comfort of their own homes. However, with the increasing demand for these jobs, there has been a rise in fraudulent job postings and scams that have resulted in people losing money. Therefore, it is crucial to be cautious and do your research before applying to any data entry work from home opportunity. Here are some genuine websites that offer data entry work from home. ClickWorker. ClickWorker is a platform that offers various micro-jobs, including data entry. The company has been around since 2005 and has a good reputation. They offer tasks such as proofreading, copy editing, and data research. The tasks usually take a few minutes to complete, and the pay is dependent on the task's complexity. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a platform that offers various micro-jobs, including data entry. The platform has been around since 2005 and is owned by Amazon, so it's a reputable company. Mechanical Turk offers tasks such as categorizing images, transcribing audio recordings, and data entry. The pay is dependent on the task's complexity and can range from a few cents to a few dollars. Dion Data Solutions. Dion Data Solutions is a company that provides data entry services to clients, and they also hire data entry operators to work from home. They require applicants to have a typing speed of at least 60 words per minute. The company offers tasks such as transcribing documents, entering data into spreadsheets, and processing forms. The pay is dependent on the task's complexity and the applicant's typing speed. SmartCrowd. SmartCrowd is a company that provides data entry services to clients, and they also hire data entry operators to work from home. They require applicants to take a skills test to qualify. The company offers tasks such as data entry, data validation, and data research. The pay is dependent on the task's complexity and the applicant's typing speed. SigTrack. SigTrack is a company that provides data entry services to clients, specifically related to political campaigns. They hire data entry operators to work from home during the election season. The company offers tasks such as verifying voter registration information, validating signatures, and processing petitions. The pay is dependent on the task's complexity and the applicant's typing speed. Capital Typing. Capital Typing provides a wide range of data entry and transcription services to clients. They offer services such as document conversion, data cleansing, data capture, and more. VirtualBee. VirtualBee was a popular website for data entry jobs, but it has been acquired by Lionbridge and is now known as the SmartCrowd. The website offers various microtasks, including data entry and transcription, which can be completed remotely. Scribie. Scribie is a transcription company that offers work-from-home transcription jobs. They pay their transcribers per audio minute and offer flexible hours. TDEC. TDEC provides data entry, document scanning, and other data processing services. They hire remote workers and offer flexible schedules. Quictate. Quictate is a company that provides transcription and data entry services. They hire workers to transcribe voicemail messages, memos, and other audio recordings. The SmartCrowd. The SmartCrowd is a website for microtasking jobs. They offer a variety of tasks, including data entry, research, and testing. Birch Creek Communications. Birch Creek Communications provides transcription and data entry services. They offer flexible hours and hire remote workers. Xerox. Xerox is a well-known company that provides business services, including data entry and document management. They offer remote positions and flexible schedules. Indeed. Indeed is a popular job search website that lists data entry jobs from various companies. You can filter jobs by location, salary, and other factors. Upwork is a freelancing platform that connects clients with freelancers for various jobs, including data entry.